This will be an unboxing of the OnePlus 8T. Pre-ordered this not too long ago, came in the other day, and finally got it in my hands. So here's the box. Have a quick look, OnePlus 8T, and then check that out, Android, etc. So let's go ahead and open this up. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna need a blade for this because as you can see right here, it says open. So I'm gonna try to open this right now. Oh, look at that. Just rips the plastic. Very nice. No unboxing knife necessary. Get the plastic out of the way. Now I'm digging this matte red finish they have on their boxes. Sick. OnePlus right there. Is there any additional tape here? Nope. So I just slide this open, right? Slowly but surely. Oh boy. All right. Gotta open this. Man, a lot of friction. Here we go. Ooh, check that out. 8T. All right, we're greeted with a OnePlus here. OnePlus kind of card or some sort of sleeve. So what's in here? All right, we got a little invitation letter from OnePlus. And then, ooh, that's just never settle right there. Look at that, it's nice. And then your SIM ejection tool. And then, what is this? I open this little tab right here. Woo! Okay, what does this say? Friend, all right. I'm gonna go like this. Pause the video if you wanna check that out. We'll put that to the side. You get a quick start guide, OnePlus, never settle. We'll have a quick look at this. Screenshot that if you want to take a look. And then on the other side, yada, yada, yada. Throw that away, and highest SAR value. Never settle again. And then, of course, you do have your OnePlus decals that you can put on your friend's brand new iPhone 12. Put that to the side. And then safety info, etc. Never settle. Yada, yada, yada. Throw that to the side, and ooh, that's the device. Little tab right here. So what's in here? Let's check this one out. Ah, yes. Your warp charge, 65 watt fast charger here. Check that out if you want. Throw that to the side. And then of course, the device. Woo! Fingerprint scanner underneath the display. Put this to the side for now. And then you do get your warp charge cable, C to C. And is there anything else in here? Nope, that's it. Cool, man. Throw that to the side. This is the phone. And then you gotta remove the plastic. How do I remove the plastic? Here we go. It's going the wrong way. Woo. Satisfying AF. And then, what is this? We don't need this. Get this IMEI sticker out of here. Don't want to see this. Let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and put it underneath the lid. Okay, throw that back to the side. And whoo, look at this. This is the silver one. I debated either this one or I think this also came in the green, right? But I decided to go with the silver. And I have to say, I quite like it. Very nice. Here's the front. There you go, OnePlus powered by Android. We'll let that boot up. All right, so what are we dealing with? Comes with a 6.55-inch display, 48 megapixel camera. This is the 12 gigs of RAM version, Snapdragon 865, 256 gigs of storage. It does have a 1080 display, 1080 by 2400, 402 ppi. It is Gorilla Glass 5, comes with the latest Android 11, Oxygen OS 11. Now the cameras, 48 megapixel main shooter on the wide, f1.7, 26mm wide. The ultra wide is a 16 megapixel shooter at f2.2. Macro lens is 5 megapixels at f2.4. Video is 4K at 30 or 60 frames per second, 1080p, 3060, 240 frames. Front-facing camera is a 16 megapixel shooter at f2.4. Video on that is only at 1080p. This does have stereo speakers. Unfortunately, no headphone jack. Battery size comes in at 4500 mAh, and you guys saw the fast charger at 65 watts. Cool. OnePlus 8T. Hello. Let's go ahead and start this up. And in terms and conditions, what happens if I disagree? Can I start? Oh, I have to agree. Okay. Yeah, I kind of figured. Haha. All right. Connect to mobile network. We'll go ahead and skip this for now. Just connect to Wi-Fi. All right, here we go. Enter my password. Connecting. Checking for updates. Punch hole selfie camera right there. Feels pretty good, I have to say. Nice. Copy apps and data. Okay, we're not gonna copy anything. I want a fresh start with this device. Checking info. I want to skip the Google stuff for now. Skip. Just want to get into the phone real quick. Here we go. I'm gonna disable all this tracking stuff. No on the sending of diagnostic data, just cause. I'm gonna okay this, I guess. Getting your phone ready. OnePlus co-creation. Check this out. Screenshot that if you want. Skip this for now. Agree. Set screen lock. We'll skip this for now as well. Skip. I just want to get into the phone. The font, never settle. Roboto or never settle the OnePlus. Gotta go with the OnePlus font, right? It's a OnePlus phone. Okay, navigation bar and gestures. Got your old school navigation buttons right there on the left, or the new navigation gestures. Gotta go to nav gestures, right? The nav gestures. Shout out to my homie Nav. Start, here we go. Little tutorial here, how to go back and stuff. All right, well done, as you can see. Okay, home is swipe up from the bottom of the display. Well done, very nice. And then recent, same thing. You swipe up from the bottom and you hold for a little bit. Well done, very nice. Setup complete, we'll hit start. Phone making noises, which is good. And we are in. All right, let's go to settings real fast. And just curious how much storage we get. Now, this is the 256 gig version. So let's just go ahead and go to storage right here. So out of the box, 19.4 gigs are used. 256 minus 19, do the math, that's how much storage you get out of the box. Very nice. And of course, this does have Android 11. We'll go to About Phone. You can see the specs right there and Android version 11. We'll tap this a bunch of times and you can do this, the Easter egg. Very nice. All right, let's go ahead and check out the camera. See how this does. I'm gonna deny this. Here's the camera. Take a picture of whatever is in front of me. Boom. Take a picture of this. Got it. Boom. All right, I'm gonna take more pics. Let's go. Quality of the camera and video in the comments down below. Real quick, let's compare the 8T to the 8 Pro here on the right. Have a look. If you have an 8 Pro, are you gonna switch to the 8T? Let me know in the comments. I don't really see this as an upgrade from the 8 Pro. It's more like a switch. We'll compare the display. Have a look at that. And I also have the Pixel 5 here for giggles. Pixel 5, the much smaller phone overall. I mean, look at that. It fits inside of the 8T. Turn on the display. Have a look. Similar setup on the punch-out camera on the upper left side. Cool, so this is the OnePlus 8T. Let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with this phone. Speed tests, camera tests, etc. versus its predecessor, the OnePlus 8 Pro. Pixel 5 iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro, Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, S20, etc. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.